Can I generate functional code using zero-shot prompting? Imagine asking a computer to write a piece of code without giving it any examples or hints. Can it really do the job? Well, with large language models like GPT-4, the answer is yes. Zero-shot prompting means you give the model a clear instruction or task description, and it tries to produce the code based only on what it has learned during training. You don't need to show its sample inputs or outputs. For example, you might say, create a Python function that adds to numbers, and the model will generate the code for that. The key here is that the model relies on its pre-trained knowledge of programming languages and common coding patterns. Because these models have been trained on vast amounts of code from repositories and documentation, they can often understand and generate code for many standard tasks. The success depends on how well you phrase your prompt. Clear, specific instructions help the model understand what you want. If your prompt is vague, the output might be incomplete or not quite right. Simple tasks like reversing a string or calculating the factorial are usually handled well in zero-shot mode. More complex or specialized tasks might need extra context or more detailed prompts. For example, asking for a function to connect to a database or handle specific data formats might require more precise instructions. Sometimes, the generated code has errors or isn't optimized. That's where few-shot prompting comes in. Adding a few examples can guide the model to produce better results. Advanced techniques can improve zero-shot prompts. Role prompting is one such method. Telling the model, "You are a Python expert," can help it adopt a more accurate coding style. Rephrasing prompts or asking the model to clarify the task before generating code can also reduce misunderstandings. Using language that emphasizes focus or system instructions can help the model stay on track. For learning to code with AI tools, zero-shot prompting offers a quick way to generate code snippets without preparing examples first. It's a handy way to experiment and see what the AI can do. But it's important to review, test, and refine the code it produces. Iterative adjustments help ensure the code works as intended and fits your needs. In summary, yes, you can generate functional code using zero-shot prompting. It works best with straightforward tasks and clear instructions. For more complex projects, adding examples or using advanced prompting techniques can boost accuracy. This approach makes learning to code with AI more interactive and flexible, encouraging you to explore and improve your prompts as you go.